The Soleus push-up. Both standing and seated variations engage the soleus, the deeper calf muscle, activating the body's circulatory pump, and when sustained, observations suggest a potential in supporting glucose and fat metabolism in the after-meal phase, postprandial. The standing variation involves rising onto the balls of the feet, holding, and lowering with control. The seated variation involves raising the heels from a flat-footed position, holding them, then lowering them slowly, hands positioned where comfortable. In both cases, the lowering phase carries as much value as the raise. What the observations point to is duration over intensity. Brief repetitions condition the muscle, but sustained, low-effort activation, over 20 minutes or more, is potentially where the metabolic observations become meaningful. For those athletic and generally healthy adults spending extended periods seated, the calf push-up or soleus push-up is more practical and easy to incorporate. Walking after a meal has long been observed across traditional sciences. The physiology of the soleus offers a basis for why. Subscribe. Go deeper with holistic high-performance health.